Hi guys, so today I'm going to try this. I bought this yesterday at Walmart. Krusteaz Belgian Waffles. And I'm going to make it into vegan. So, you see the ingredients in the back here? I'm going to do flax eggs. Okay, so the eggs, it says eggs, oil, water, your mix. And there's the directions there. What we're going to use to make it vegan is we're going to use flaxseed, applesauce for the oil. This replaces the egg. And we're going to try this here water. It's sparkling seltzer water. Here's my waffle maker. It's a Cuisinart. I got it at a yard sale a while back. That's what that looks like. Okay, so first we're going to start with the flax egg. Now I'm going to do this one where it says 4 to 5 waffles. So it's calling for 2 eggs. So we're going to do, to make 1 flax egg, you take 1 tablespoon of flaxseed. And you want it level. Dump that in your bowl. And then you're going to do 3 tablespoons of water. But since we need 2, we're going to do 2 tablespoons of flaxseed to 6 tablespoons of water. Now I like to get my water on the warmer side. So just put your faucet on and get it on the warmer side. And get yourself 6 tablespoons of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? Then get yourself a whisk and go ahead and whisk that up. And you're going to leave that sit for about 5 minutes. Okay, so while that is, while we're waiting on the flax egg, we're going to go ahead with the applesauce to use as the oil. Now, it calls for a 1/3 cup of oil. And here you see it's 3.9 ounces. This is almost a 1/3 cup. It's just a little bit more, so we'll just take out a little bit. Okay, just to show you, so here's my 1/3 cup, and that's what's left, just a little tiny bit. Okay guys, now we've got the egg, which has been here for about 5 minutes. You see how it gets an egg texture, the gooey texture. Now what we're going to need to do is you're going to have to add your 3 cups of the Krusteaz into the bowl. Then you're going to take your 1/3 cup of applesauce in there, like that. And then you're going to add your 1 1/3 cup of your sparkling water. Dump that in, and then go ahead and whisk that up. We're going to get nice batter going here. Whoop. Okay, so your next step is to get this, your iron, whatever iron you're using, you want to get it greased up. Now, I don't usually use butter or anything, but I will for just grazing my pan a little bit. So you take your, this is what we use, vegan, can't believe it's not butter. And I get it on a paper towel like that. And then you're just going to open it up. Be careful because it's very, 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 very hot. And you're going to smear that. See how that does that? On both sides. You have to have it on both sides. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and let me find something to use to pour this on. Usually I'm more set up. Hold on. Okay, get yourself a scoop or a ladle. We're going to go ahead and pour it on there. Smear it around like that. That's what I do. We'll see how these turn out. A little bit more. Okay. Press it down and we'll wait. Okay guys, so here I opened it up, and there you got a nice, it fell apart a little, just like they always do on the first one. But Now we have ourselves a nice waffle. You can kind of pick it off with your finger. And we'll get some more going. Let's try get another one going here. I forgot to butter my pan, but we'll get that going. Okay, I went ahead and buttered the top of it, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully I can get it out of there. Sometimes it'll be too stuck if it's not properly greased. Okay, we're going to open it up and see what it looks like. Oh, nice. See, it's stuck on the top. Get yourself a spatula. And then you can give it a yank like this real quick. There you go. So there you go. You got a perfect waffle made with the Krusteaz and vegan. And it's nice. It's nice and sort of thick. And with these, you can always leave them, and you know, you can make a big batch of them, and then if you want, you could throw them in the freezer. You could have them to put in a toaster for kids going to school. Well, I hope you guys like this, and I'll be back when it's all plated up. So here you go, guys. The Krusteaz made vegan. It made us about 8 waffles. Don't they look delicious? Mmm. Yummy. Beautiful. See, don't let anybody say you can't cook vegan. There it is. Check out some of my other videos for some more vegan cooking ideas. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.